Welcome to Cloud AI Frontiers, Innovations, Insights, and Impact. I'm your host, David Ramel, bringing you the latest developments in cloud AI. Today's episode explores Gemini's free research tools, Microsoft's vision of employee agent bosses, and how to select the right AI model for your needs. Gemini AI has launched an impressive new audio overviews feature that creates professional research reports and converts them into polished two-person podcasts, all for free. This technology leverages Notebook LM tech from Google DeepMind and represents a significant evolution in language models and knowledge management. In a hands-on experiment, I asked Gemini to create a deep research report on cloud AI, which it delivered as a comprehensive 25-page document with 145 footnotes. Then, with a simple click of the Generate Audio Overview button, it transformed the report into a podcast-style conversation between AI-cloned male and female voices, complete with conversational elements like "you know" to enhance authenticity. Unlike many experimental features, this one worked flawlessly. The service supports various document types, including text files, Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, and spreadsheets. Potential use cases include market intelligence, investment analysis, employee training, knowledge sharing, executive briefings, and sales preparation. Moving to our next story, Microsoft's 2025 Work Trend Index annual report predicts a fundamental shift in how we work. Titled 2025, the year the frontier firm is born, the report describes organizations reshaping themselves around AI and digital labor. The most striking prediction? Every worker, regardless of role or level, will become an agent boss, managing AI agents that handle entire workflows autonomously, while humans provide high-level direction. Microsoft's Brenna Robinson explains that within the next 2 to 5 years, every organization will begin transforming into what they call a frontier firm. The report outlines 3 key takeaways. First, intelligence becomes available on tap as AI transforms from a scarce resource to readily available digital labor. Second, human agent teams will replace traditional org charts with more dynamic work charts aligned around goals rather than functions. And third, every employee will become an agent boss, delegating to and managing AI systems. Microsoft advises organizations to hire your first digital employees, set appropriate human-agent ratios, and scale AI implementation rapidly across the organization. Finally, with the AI landscape becoming increasingly crowded, how do you choose the right model for your specific needs? While AI leaderboards offer a starting point, they don't always capture the full picture of what makes a model effective for real-world applications. For general-purpose conversational AI, the leading models across various leaderboards include OpenAI's GPT-4 family, including GPT-4o, Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro, and Anthropic's Claude 3 models. These consistently rank highest in human preference tests and benchmarks measuring conversational quality. For advanced reasoning and decision support, the same models appear again. OpenAI's O3 and O4 Mini, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and Claude 3.7 Sonnet demonstrate strong logical inference and problem-solving capabilities according to metrics from Scale AI, Vellum AI, and other evaluation platforms. When it comes to coding and software development support, Vellum AI's dedicated coding task leaderboard highlights the strengths of OpenAI's models, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and Claude 3.7 Sonnet, with specialized coding models also performing well on specific benchmarks. However, leaderboards should only be a starting point. Organizations must align model strengths with specific business needs, test under real conditions, and consider factors like integration ease, scalability, compliance, and long-term costs. That's all for today's episode of Cloud AI Frontiers. I'm David Ramel. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time as we continue to explore the innovations, insights, and impact of cloud AI.